So what is the current housing market situation? We are now in the busiest home buying and selling season. So what is the current stats in the national telling us about the housing market today? Hi, I'm DeVonna Meyer with eXp Realty, and according to Redfin, new listings are down more than 20% from a year ago as homeowners hold on to their low mortgage rate. In other words, if a homeowner does not have a life-changing event or urgency to sell, they're staying in their homes due to the higher mortgage rates, making it difficult to buy another home. This is creating lower inventory levels nationwide. On the other hand, it's also creating a buying frenzy with buyers battling for the new homes on the market, and many markets are experiencing multiple offers. All this combined with keeping home prices from drastically falling nationwide, we are seeing the U.S. median sale price go down about 2.8% from last year. Here are some other very important nationwide statistics. 47% of homes that went under contract had an accepted offer within the first 2 weeks of being on the market, the highest level in nearly a year, and 30% of homes sold above their final list price. Finally, the current absorption rate of months of supply is 2.7 months nationwide, meaning it could take almost 3 months for the current inventory to sell at the current sales pace. This keeps us in a seller's market as 4 to 5 months is a balanced supply, and anything lower indicate the seller has more favorable market conditions. As always, if you are contemplating selling or buying, contact me and my team today so we can go over all the latest housing data with you locally and nationally to put you in the best position to move forward. This is DeVonna Meyer, and this is where real estate meets reality for my clients. Feel free to join me on my Facebook page at DeVonna Home Show and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market data. If you like this video, please click the like button and let me know.